If your phone plan says prepaid and your bank account says declined, this video's for you. Because yes, you can make real money with just a prepaid phone, even if it's older than TikTok. Most money-making apps quietly drain your data or don't work unless you've got a fancy plan. But today, I've got 3 legit apps that actually work on prepaid phones, tested by broke legends like me. Whether you're trying to earn cash for snacks, gifts, or to finally afford that overpriced iced coffee, you're gonna want to stick around. By the way, if you like money hacks that don't require credit cards, download fees, or begging your cousin for Wi-Fi, hit the link below or scan the QR on screen to join my free newsletter, Make Money with Phone. We send weekly tested apps that work with almost any phone, even prepaid ones. Let's get to it. Number 1 on our list of Make Money apps that work on prepaid phone plans. Let's start with a real OG, Mode Earn app, aka the current app if on iPhone. This thing literally pays you for listening to music, charging your phone, playing games, even unlocking your screen. It runs great on prepaid plans and doesn't burn your data faster than a Netflix binge. Expect a few cents a day, but hey, that's passive popcorn money. One user said they made $18 just by forgetting to close the app. That's peak laziness income. Bonus tip: the app pays points per minute of music streaming. Play music while doing other tasks, use a separate device, or turn volume down to conserve battery. Enable autoplay playlists and avoid switching songs frequently. Number 2 on our list of Make Money apps that work on prepaid phone plans. Next up, Cash Karma. Surveys, offers, and yes, it actually works on slower prepaid networks. The payouts aren't insane, but stack up gift cards pretty quick. Plus, they've got one of the lowest cash-out thresholds out there. Real bonus tip: take advantage of strategic leverage screen-out rewards. Instead of solely focusing on completing full surveys, consider quickly attempting a higher volume of surveys, especially those with immediate disqualification potential. Cash Karma is known for giving partial points or screen-out rewards even if you don't qualify for the entire survey. Accumulating these smaller, more consistent partial payouts from numerous attempts can sometimes add up faster and more reliably on a daily basis than waiting for and completing a few high-paying full surveys that you may or may not qualify for. Number 3 on our list of Make Money apps that work on prepaid phone plans. Finally, Receipt Hog. Snap photos of receipts. Boom, get coins. It works even on prepaid plans that throttle camera-heavy apps. Plus, it's kind of satisfying watching those little coins roll in. Bonus tip: ask your family for their receipts. Boom, outsource your side hustle. Another real bonus tip: exploit the weekly 100 coin receipt cap and spin receipts. Most users know that higher value receipts yield more coins. However, the crucial, often missed detail is that once you earn 100 coins from coin receipts, groceries, health, beauty, general merchandise, within a rolling 7-day period, subsequent coin receipts that week only give 5 coins. To maximize, prioritize scanning your largest eligible receipts early in the week to hit that 100 coin maximum for full value. Beyond this, focus on spin receipts from clothing, electronics, home improvement, and sporting goods stores. These receipts consistently grant you spins on hog slots, which offer chances to win significant coin bonuses, up to 10,000 coins, that can quickly push you past the cash-out threshold, making weekly payouts more feasible. If you want more prepaid-friendly apps and weird but real ways to make money from your phone, we break them down every week in our free email newsletter. Just scan the QR code or hit the link below. No spam, no fluff, just what works. Trust me, you're wasting your screen time if you're not checking it out now. You don't need the newest iPhone, a data-rich plan, or 10,000 followers. You just need a phone, a few spare minutes, and the right apps. So don't scroll away empty-handed. Don't forget to get our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free report now.